We've got bikes, trikes, more trikes, and woodworking. And Paul just finished helping me put together an exquisite addition and upgrade for my trailer. Thank you, Paul. Yay! Come on, Myrtle, let's go. All right, so let's go inside and see what all that measuring, drilling, and sawing was all about. So this is a project that I have been wanting to do for a long time, and I'm just so lucky to have somebody like Paul that knew how to execute it. He's just so handy with tools, and he just sees what needs to be done. And so this area has been blank. This wall has been blank. It's designed to put the television, which I've never had, I have no intention of getting. And I thought this would be a really good place to put shelves and just a way to keep a little bit more organized. So before I put this in, here's the dinette, and then behind the dinette there's a shelf, like just kind of a junk area where I was just putting all kinds of things I didn't know where to put. Some of the stuff is actually in the Portland house, and so I won't be able to really get organized until I bring it all back. But let me just show you what my idea is for this. So behind the wall here, there are support pieces of wood. And so what Paul did is he added this piece and this piece for support of all of the things that you see here, and it is screwed into the wall, into the pieces of wood that are behind the wall. And then this piece here it's two pieces. The top part is a bamboo cutting board, and the reason why I went with a cutting board, which is more expensive than just getting a piece of wood to add to this, is that it's finished. It's lightweight, it looks more attractive. And then Paul, he just needed to cut the back edge to make it straight. And then this bottom part with these three drawers, this is another bamboo piece, and it's designed to sit on top of a desk just to keep things a little bit more organized. And so it has three drawers, and so in this one I've got pencils, pens, pencil sharpener, and then in this one I've got tape, scissors, rubber bands, twist ties, all that stuff that it's like it's just so hard to keep it organized and then find it when you need it. And so I'm just using these top two drawers to keep just kind of office stuff more organized. And so when I need it, it's going to be really easy to take it out. And the way Paul put this together was he drilled holes, and so he's got anchor nuts on the bottom to hold the shelf to this bottom drawer organizer, and then on the back of the drawer he put a notch so that the drawer will slide over these acorn nuts, and then this bottom drawer I'm going to be using, I follow the ketogenic diet, and I have blood meter and all kinds of little stuff that I need for that. And so when once a week I use this stuff, and so I'll be able to just, take the drawer out, and everything that I need for my keto tracking will be organized and easy to find. And then what he did is he put a hook here, and he has a hook holding a bungee cord in place. And so when I'm driving, all I need to do is put the bungee cord over that top hook, and the drawers are going to be secure. They won't, the drawers won't fall out while I'm driving. Does those drawers look like they're smiling? Kind of, right? Funny. And then on this side, I added, these are robe hooks for the back of your bathroom door. And these baskets, I'm thinking are going to be for like fruits and vegetables, and, you know, like when things need to ripen up a little bit. You know, it's pretty nice because, you know, I can easily take them off, to use whatever's in them. And I'm not sure if I'll be keeping these baskets hanging on these hooks while I'm driving. I might just move them over to the sink. We'll see. There's quite a bit of movement. I doubt that they're gonna fall off, but for sure I'm probably gonna want to put something on the back of these baskets to protect the wall. It might damage the wall, so I'll just see how that goes. And then, you know, it doesn't really seem particularly balanced to me, so I'm thinking I might add another one of these hooks over here and another basket. I'll see how I feel about that. They're pretty easy to find. So yeah, so gosh, kind of a big project. It was more complicated than I expected it to be, and my gosh, Paul, he just knows how to do all this stuff. I'm so lucky to have him as a friend. Let me know what you guys think about all this. Leave a comment in the comment section below. I love hearing from everybody. Please remain safe and healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.